What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's take some time to talk about a position that people want to know some information on. Someone brought to my attention in a live stream today that there was a position that was running, and it wasn't just running based off of just random news that was out there or just, a random push of a new project, of another meme position or anything. It was running because of some person, right? And you obviously know who it is because of the title. Some person came out and tweeted about it. And when that one person tweets about anything, it tends to get a ton of traction. And that one person is Elon Musk. Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, right? Or just the dog in general. And then a bunch of different things run. He talks about anything else and things get a lot of traction, right? He has major influence not only in the Twitter space, but just in the crypto space, really. So if he says anything, things are running to a new level. And it's honestly another form of manipulation, but it's also another way to kind of predict if you're going to have massive gains. Now, people have mentioned this to me last night, I think it was, where they were talking about how they bought this position and how things were going to run because of this situation. But I kind of push those to the side. Maybe I shouldn't, because I get a lot of requests during the day where people are like, this thing's going to run, this thing's going to run because of this reason. But anything that follows with Elon Musk talked about it, you have a lot of fake profiles that are made on Twitter, right? So you'll have people that are verified now because they can pay for, a check mark. And it looks like that is Elon Musk by just the picture without going into their profile. So people are like, hey, Elon Musk really tweeted about this. So you have various projects that do the same thing. So I'm thinking, oh, you know what? This is another thing just trying to get me to look at it. It's not something that's actually going to run. It's just something that's fake. However, apparently it's not, right? So let's look into this position and talk about whether this is going to run, the move that it made, and maybe if this is going to be the next PEPE coin. Because honestly, PEPE, was built in a different way, but we'll talk about that. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are in the description for my Patreon, for KuCoin. If you guys want to go and buy this position, I don't think it's on KuCoin actually. It's on Uniswap and stuff. You guys want to go buy PEPE, you can buy it over there. Buy XRP, you can buy it on KuCoin. So use my link down below, sign up for KuCoin, and get started trading some good positions. But let's talk about this position. So I saw this morning, someone brought it to my attention that this was moving quite a bit. Now, at the time of looking at this, it was up at these levels. We saw it up about 5,000%, 6,000%. Now it's up about 3,000%. Either way, you would have still made money from this. You saw this go from a level all the way down here from a price with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it's 8 zeros. Sometimes I get lost in it, with 40.82. And then it grew all the way up to a way higher price to where you see it, instead of being at I don't know, let's say, what's the market cap? $100 million market cap or something. It doesn't really give you an understanding of where that is, all the way up to a $152 million market cap. So definitely at a higher point, definitely seeing this at a way higher price. The highest price here today was 18. So at 0.00000018, I guess burning away or dropping 2 zeros, I believe. So anyways, you're seeing a $100 million market cap from a level of like a $1 million market cap. You could have basically gained a hell of a lot through the process of this, starting out to where it is right now and to where it was at its peak point. But again, as I was going through it, I was telling people to be careful, because you are seeing a double top scenario where it's hitting this level. Now, if it does find a way to break it, it could skyrocket through the roof and you could see it absolutely run. But the fact that it was resisting away from this level yet again created a double top, which means that's more of a bearish effect on it. So not only would you see this probably drop past here, but you probably, or drop to here, but probably drop past here, and maybe even finding another support level down here, which would still be higher than where it was. But it was running. So why is this running? Why is this position even relevant? Why does it even make sense why people are buying into this? Well, it has $237 million worth of volume, meaning that there has to be a significant reason, right? There's a lot of plays out there that will have a decent size increase because they decreased the supply or got rid of the supply, burned off the supply, and you see now the price has skyrocketed, staying at the same market cap with more people interested in buying the position, right? You've seen artificial pumps, but this doesn't look like it's an artificial pump because you see $238 million that's flowing into this, and it continues to increase. From where we looked at in the past, it was like 190, and then it went up to $238 million worth of volume, whether that's buy or sell. So, anyways, like I said, um, first, before we get into the reason as to why this is moving or doing anything, let's understand what it is. So, about Milady's. Ladies may not be. This is more of like a breakdown of, not really a breakdown, but telling you that you need Milady's or you need ladies as a coin. But let's see. Welcome to Ladies, the meme coin of Milady's NFT collection. Ladies is the tokenization of the fully mechanically optimized white pill. Do they have to make things or meme? I can't even say that. Mimically optimized white pill. They try and like put a bunch of stuff that's not even. I don't even think that's a word. Maybe it is. If I look it up, maybe it is. Ladies is not another meme coin. Ladies is a self-organized meme coin. Ladies is the drip currency. Ladies is the points for karma, charm, and beauty. Ladies is the accumulation of clout. Milady's meme coin is ladies, and ladies is the meme coin for Milady. It's it's a little ridiculous. That was tough to get through, but basically, it's a coin for the NFT collection. Let's say it's making the NFT collection very popular. Now, this overall position has about 10,500 holders. Um, One thing that really concerns me if I go into this is you seeing an open wallet that has about 8%. You do have a contract address that has 5%, MEXC that has 4%, but then another open wallet that has 2%. So if you scroll down here, you're going to see a lot of open wallets here, one, two, three, that has, a one, almost 2% that's there. More open wallets that have 1%, and then another one, that has 1% here, followed by HG and all these other ones. So you're definitely seeing a lot of open wallets that have 1% that can do something with it. So it doesn't really sit well with me when you see that, because those wallets are worth 1.7 million, or that wallet up here that's worth 8.7 million. So it's definitely something where you're like, well, what's happening here, right? You have wallets that are have a little bit too much in it, and having that one open wallet really does concern people, and definitely concerns me as I look into it. But then let's understand why this thing is even moving in the first place. Basically, the reason why it's moving is because Elon Musk tweeted about it. Elon Musk said, Twitter CEO once again demonstrated his profound influence on the crypto market, this time in favor of counterculture, non fungible token collection Milady's. Musk shared a meme featuring one of Milady's avatar NFTs with the caption, "There is no meme, I love you." This post instantly thrust the NFT collection into the spotlight, propelling its price and popularity to new heights. All you need is something that simple, and you could see this thing run. And it says it skyrocketed more than 10,000%. You saw this absolutely run to a way higher level. And again, you're seeing millions of dollars throughout just a tweet, right? Going from a level of like single digit millions up to $150 million. It's fantastic how you can see that. And maybe it's like 15 million, maybe not single digits, but double digits million. But you're seeing this get to a level where it's creating a double top scenario. And yes, you wouldn't want to be careful. So that, or you would want to be careful. So my question to you, and the question to me that I've been receiving is, do you believe that this is the next PEPE coin, right? Elon Musk pushed it. He said, "Hey, this is amazing or whatever." Basically, doing all of this by just implying that it's amazing, or implying that he has some sort of interest in it. Well, no, I don't think it's PEPE. There's two differences, right? You have one that's pushed by a person that has um, pumped a lot of positions, but we've seen those things pump and then lose value very, very quickly. However, PEPE is was built and pushes or runs from the community, from interest and word of mouth, and you have that continuation of more and more people hearing about it and more people hearing about it. Obviously, anything could happen, and we could see this thing run to a whole nother level, and it would be phenomenal if you do, because people would end up probably you would see the same thing that's built from PEPE, but it initially starts with somebody like Elon that's pumping it to a whole nother level. But then you may have bag holders of people that are buying at some of these higher levels, hoping that it would push up to a 300 million, $700 million market cap. But remember, what happened with PEPE was it was at a $100 million market cap, and it did find a way to increase all the way up to 1.1, $1.8 billion market cap after I talked about it at a $100 million market cap. So honestly, anything could happen, but it doesn't look like the same structure. It's just depends what people do. So follow Twitter, follow what people are doing and seeing how many people are interested in this play, how much interest the NFT collection is gaining, how much volume is going into it. Make sure you stay in tune to what everything is doing, everybody is doing with the position. And then you can see if you can find short-term success. Do I think that there's long-term success here? Probably not. I would say more chances of it not having long-term success than it is having long-term success. But finding short-term success and being able to gain something in it, that's fantastic. There's already been people that have gained so much money from this, and seen $100 investment turn into, a $3,000 investment or $5,000 investment, and they were able to take some profit. So it's phenomenal to see. It doesn't mean that everybody will be able to see this. You may have missed your opportunity going in, and now would be, you going in while it's at a high point. So I'll have to sit on the sidelines and watch this from afar. Even if it does find a way to run to way higher heights, we'll have to figure out. And like I said, I'll watch it and see how interested people are, and then if I can see an opportunity there at all with any gains that I would have had somewhere else, then yes. But if I don't see the opportunity, I'm not going to get into it. Even if it does run, that means that I saw something that did not tell me that this was right. And honestly, the wallets don't really tell me that this is the right move based on how much is held in those top wallets. So, anyways, guys, that's what I have for you guys today. Milady's meme coin here today, up to about $152 million market cap, $240 million flowing through it. It's very, very interesting, but it doesn't mean everything that's interesting needs to be an investment for you. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.